Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Friday, November 21st, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, we just finished up with the WealthCharts live training room this morning, folks, and just wanted to give you an update. So one of the things I like to do with Heiken Ashi is when we have pretty good volatility coming in, I like to take some ideas and opportunities that we look at and take some shorter term trades, some more scalping, I call it, type opportunities, right? So today on the 10-second chart, I was looking for shorts. So let me explain why during the time that we took it. If I go to the volume profile, what happened is right around 10, right before 10 o'clock here, we closed below on the 5-minute chart below the POC here with a flat top. That's bearish. Okay, I was expecting a move lower from a pure probability standpoint there with that volume profile. Okay. And so then when we basically started this downtrend, this was around 954, we had a little bit larger retracement and it held right here. Okay, again, you can see here with the champion trend, it held. And then once we got the flat top again, red Heiken Ashi, TRP cross, has, right? We see this over and over again, how I teach that, right? That was the short opportunity we took this morning. What a great trade. And then again, with these Heiken Ashi candles, with the trend narrowing, we didn't look to go in short again there during this time frame because, again, we were not getting new singles. Also, we had a bearish algorithm as well. Everything was in agreement there. So these are the type of opportunities that I like to look for, folks. Again, I trade different time frames. I'll scalp at the 10-second. Obviously, trade the 1 minute and the 5-minute. These are my favorite, which I do most of the time in the WealthCharts live training room. But depending on the environment and the situations and what we're looking to do in that room, folks, that's how we take different opportunities. So it's been a lot of fun. If you want to learn, again, how I'm using my advanced Heiken Ashi system, folks, again, come in here tomorrow. You'll see the link Saturday, November 22nd at 10 o'clock Eastern. BecomeABetterTrader.com/yes. I'll show you how I've been doing it. Again, I've got over 6-figure in payouts and prop firms, folks. Apex, just Apex alone, I do over 6 figures. I've got 5-figure payouts over the last 30 days as well. And again, I say that because I'm real excited to show you how I'm doing it, what I'm doing. And again, it'll be a great event here Saturday morning. So hope to see you all there, folks. Other than that, have a great rest of the day. Take care.